Be careful how you use it.
Okay, so we are now in the Jeep Trackhawk at Road America, and with FCA representative Mike here. Brendan's in the back, and let's see what this can do.
We're all set for another episode of The Lap. This being the encore presentation.
Yes, from season 1
of the track. We loved it so much in season 1. Figured we'd do it again and stretch its legs.
Yeah, exactly. The other track was very tight. Now we can finally stretch its legs. Acceleration is mind-blowing. It is a little floaty on the braking though. You know, I'm almost speechless. Brakes are actually really nice and firm. Yep, brakes work. You can tell there's a lot of weight. It wants to go. It wants to pull out from you. But you just blow like a bomb out of the corners. It just goes where you point it. It's really nice. Yeah, brakes are really good. Came back, so they just go a little soft, but they come right back, which is really nice. It's just explosive out of the corners. Started braking too early there. That's how confidence is firing. These brakes are really good. Acceleration. So, how'd you think of it in the back?
I love it, man. This is so much fun back here. I am using my knees to hold me in place because, of course, internet.
Actually, I have to say the seats do a very good job of keeping you in. I mean, considering it's an SUV.
Oh, that was so much fun. This thing rocks.
This thing is amazing. I mean, it's your ultimate daily driver. You can take it in the winter, the summer. You can take it on the track. You can haul things with it. I mean, it's just unbelievable what the capability of this car. And you can bring it on the track and have a ball with it, an absolute ball.
Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button right there. And check out the rest of our channel for more great videos.